Well, greetings interwebs. So my friend Brian and his family are in town and they came to stay at the house. Well, his wife Sunantha, she's from Thailand. So while they were here, she made us some delicious Thai food. Now, I made a couple other videos of it. You'll see they're linked below where she made a few delicious things. But for the main course, she made a roasted pork with a spicy Thai sauce. Now the sauce is pretty straightforward. It's fresh garlic, fresh cilantro, fresh limes, and these little hot red peppers. Now she was pretty careful not to go too crazy with the peppers because in Thailand, they would light a forest on fire. They're so hot, but she understands that we can't take that quite so much here. So she was very careful asking me what I can and can't take. Well, they was a little hot, enough that I may sweat a little bit, and I can notice the heat obviously, but not so hot that it hurt. It's really no worse than a lot of the Mexican stuff I make, so it was pretty good. So anyway, here's the showing her make that, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, what's that? Cilantro?
Cilantro. Here we go.
Okay, so MSG,
Yes.
how much?
2 teaspoons of this MSG.
2 teaspoons of MSG?
Yes. 2, yeah.
Those are cups.
They're just 1 of this.
How much is that, a half cup?
1
What's that, 30?
sugar.
I have a nice sharpener. Try not to cut your finger off.
Yeah.
That would be a bad thing.
Yeah. Okay. Fish sauce.
And how much fish sauce?
That's fine.
Quarter cup again?
Yes. So can I put it in here?
Yeah.
Maybe we wash it.
Yeah, let's all go to the dishwasher.
Yeah, this is.
So pulse low, pulse high, and then just on.
Mess around.
Okay, we have sauce. That way we know that you're in on it. What are you gonna season these with? The pork chops.
Black pepper,
Black pepper?
onion powder.
You got garlic salt on the same.
Yeah, I've got garlic salt on the next shelf up.
Yeah, it's garlic. Actually, this pork just gonna eat pork with the dipping sauce. Not gonna need much seasoning.
Okay.
Because all the flavor is gonna go with the dipping sauce.
Up to you. Yeah. Switch is other equipment. No, you're not allowed to have it unless you got a special order or blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to Bastion, I'm going to Leatherneck. It doesn't matter.
The oven.
Also,
Oh.
you just turn it on, whatever temperature you want.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Is it still pink? Are you okay with the pink?
I'm sorry?
It's still pink. Are you okay with it, or
Yeah,
just
it's
need more cool?
Yeah, it's done. It's just pink because it was roasted. It's not bloody, it's just roasted pink.
Yeah. You wanna try this with your fish sauce? It's hot.
It's a little hot.
Hot. Like
Just clearing my sinuses.
it's like it's too spicy. For
No,
the
it's
sauce.
good.
But did all this
It-
get too hot?
No, I mean, it's spicy, but just enough spicy. Not too spicy. It's enough that, yeah, it's a little on the hot side. And it definitely cleared my nose.
Spicy.
Hey, look who's awake. Okay, so roasted pork and this spicy green sauce will go with it. So there you have it. Hot, spicy, and delicious. So, on that happy and healthy note, be seeing you.